But it's so cool. Okay, yeah, they are all deers. And they're being chased by a car.
It feels so good right now. Feeling so good right now. Yeah.
Hello everybody, my name is Anna. Welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna be reacting again to Oh My Girl, and this time is Windy Day. The last time that we saw these girls was Liar Liar, and they were lying to each other and making treats and stuff that was not good. But anyways, they look amazing, they look beautiful, and they sing like crazy. So that's a good thing about this group. It's like it's a bunch of beautiful visuals with amazing talent. But we're just gonna jump and see what's next for them, and 1 and 2 and 3, and hopefully we're gonna get some. Okay, that's very pastoral, I guess. Ah, gorgeous! Gorgeous too. Their voices are so clear. Woo! Personal doll. I can't with this girl. She is like too much for me. Okay, is this gonna be like one of those like super sweet? What just happened? Ah, her smile is crazy. But I'm a little crazy with the sound of it. And then it changed again. Wait, that's what G-Friend does, not you guys. Okay, I know that. What just happened again? And now we're in the Middle East? With the, that's not a windy day, that's a freaking hurricane. And I'm from Miami, so I know what that means. Okay, this is so weird. In a good way, because it's a good song. Okay, the smile of this girl is crazy. And I think it's like Hugh Young, something like that. I don't know who you are in the bed. For now, I just know Jua, Hugh Young. What's going on here, dudes? It is beautiful, but it's so freaking weird. Ah, she looks like a little baby. Okay, now we are on a labyrinth. Is that the same Prairie from G-Friend? Okay, she always has short hair. Beautiful girl. So we open the box and everybody flies away. And we all go on a flying carpet to the Middle East. Wow. Nice, nice harmonics. And she's scratching her hair, her head on the tree like the deer's done. I don't understand how this goes musically anywhere. But it's so cool. Okay, yeah, they are all deers. And they're being chased by a car. Okay. And they're happy about it. Okay, what can I say about this? I can say Korean metaphors. Sometimes we don't understand them, but they look beautiful on screen. That's for sure. There was a bunch of deer, like girls with deer horns, because they were like, scratching their heads on the tree. So that's what deers do. And then at the same time, we were all like having a picnic on on the, you know, like on the wilderness. So it was a little pastoral, and then from pastoral it went to a little bit more melodic and ballad, kind of poppy, and then it went all the way to Middle East. That was so freaking complicated and very weird. But one thing that I can tell about, like the whole aesthetic of the video clip was amazing. The color palette and everything was on point. And I do understand it was all about the wind, and it was all about like the wind of change or something. Or maybe it was just like nothing to do with anything, because that sometimes like an MV is just that, you know, it's like a bunch of imagery that makes no sense. The thing that made sense is like these girls look amazing. They are gorgeous. They are like, again, like porcelain dolls that never age, what is crazy. And then we have, I remember Jua is there, like the one that looks like a porcelain doll. It hits me every single time I see this girl. And then Hyo Jong, is that right? Am I right with that? Like I said it many times, but my memory is so bad most of the time. I know that the rapper is called Mimi, and I know that there's a couple of other people that I should know the name, but I don't yet. But I will. And the most important thing is like the voices were crazy. The harmonies were there. There was no choreography, I guess. Well, yeah, there was like a long choreography. On the, I guess it was the same spot that G-Friend shot Me Gustas too, maybe, maybe not. But I'm not trying to compare, I'm just saying like, it just looked very outdoorsy in a good way. And these girls are beautiful, and these girls are probably on the top of beauty on most girl groups. And also they're starting to build up on the talent side of it, because they can sing a lot. And Miss Big Smile, she is getting pretty close to my top list too, because her smile is just like killing me every single time. Both of them, porcelain doll and beautiful smile. And the rest of the girls are amazing too. Like they're beautiful. So we're gonna continue reacting to Oh My Girl and watching more and more of their story. And they already have a playlist on my channel, and that's a big thing, because there's some groups that they don't even have that yet. They will maybe in the future, but Oh My Girl is one of those groups that they just grab your attention, and you want to know more and more about them. And make sure you subscribe. Make sure you check my other playlists if you like K-pop, because there's a bunch of them, other stuff in my channel that you might like. And I'll see you guys in the next one. So take care.